Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Smartphone, where innovation meets imagination. And today, we're diving into the most futuristic device Samsung has ever dared to create. Yes, I'm talking about the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold 2025, a smartphone that doesn't just fold, it transforms. This device isn't just a step forward, it's a giant leap into the future of mobility, productivity, and design. The moment you pick up the Galaxy Z TriFold, you know it's something extraordinary. From the outside, it looks like a sleek premium phone, but with a single unfolding motion, it becomes a compact tablet. Unfold it once more, and you're holding a mini laptop-sized display in your hands. Samsung has truly pushed the limits with this triple-hinge design, delivering a device that offers 3 different modes without compromising elegance. The engineering alone feels like a masterpiece. The hinges are smoother, stronger, and more durable than anything we've seen in the foldable world. The display is where the magic truly happens. Samsung uses its new dynamic AMOLED X3 panel, offering ultra-vivid colors, sharper contrast, and a 144 Hz adaptive refresh rate that adjusts seamlessly as you switch between phone, tablet, and tri-screen mode. Whether you're watching a movie, gaming, editing videos, or simply scrolling through your apps, the visual experience is unbelievably immersive. The crease visibility has been reduced by almost 80%, which means when the device is fully extended, it feels like using one continuous piece of glass. Under the hood, Samsung has packed some serious power. The Galaxy Z TriFold is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Titanium Edition processor, supported by 18 GB of LPDDR6 RAM and storage options up to 1 TB. Multitasking isn't just possible, it is effortless. You can run 3 apps simultaneously, drag and drop files across screens, or convert the entire display into a wide workspace perfect for productivity. Gaming performance is on another level, with the new vapor chamber system keeping temperatures cool even during heavy gameplay or long editing sessions. Samsung also upgraded the battery system dramatically. The TriFold features a triple-cell 6500 mAh battery that intelligently adjusts power consumption based on the mode you're using. Thanks to the new 65W ultra-fast charging, you can get from 1% to 50% in under 15 minutes. Wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, and AI-based battery preservation make sure this device remains efficient and reliable throughout the day. Now let's talk about the camera, because Samsung didn't hold back here either. The Galaxy Z TriFold brings a next-gen 108 megapixels main sensor with AI-backed stabilization, a 48 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 12 megapixels periscope zoom lens capable of up to 30x hybrid zoom. The camera setup adjusts automatically depending on how the device is folded. In tri-screen mode, you get a stunning wide shooting experience perfect for landscapes or cinematic shots. In the folded phone mode, it behaves like a compact flagship, ideal for quick selfies or videos. Low light performance is outstanding, thanks to the new Night Vision Pro engine that captures sharp, detailed images even in the darkest environments. The software experience is where the Z TriFold truly shines. Samsung's One UI 7.0 is fully optimized for this form factor. App continuity is smoother than ever, switch modes, and everything immediately adapts. The floating windows, split-screen tools, and virtual trackpad mode make the device feel like a mini workstation. For creators, editors, gamers, and multitaskers, this is a dream device. Durability has also improved. Samsung uses reinforced armor aluminum 4.0, Gorilla Glass Extreme, and a new water and dust resistance rating that's the best ever on a foldable. After years of evolution, Samsung finally perfected the foldable formula, and this triple fold design feels premium, solid, and reliable. In terms of audio, the quad speaker system tuned by AKG delivers crisp highs, deep bass, and realistic sound separation. Whether you're watching movies or listening to music, it feels like you're using a high-end tablet or mini home theater. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold 2025 isn't just a smartphone, it's a revolution in your pocket. It replaces your phone, tablet, and even your mini laptop. It's built for people who want the best technology Samsung can offer, packed inside a futuristic design that turns heads everywhere. If you're ready to move into the future of mobile innovation, this is the device that will lead the way.